How can I check my Apple ID balance before transferring it?
Hello there. Today we're going to walk you through how to check your Apple ID balance before transferring it. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep track of your expenses, or if you need to ensure that you have enough credit for a purchase.
What is an Apple ID balance?
The Apple ID balance represents the amount of credit you have in your Apple ID account. This balance can be used to make purchases in the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Books, for Apple Music and iCloud storage. The balance includes any redeemed Apple gift cards, App Store and iTunes gift cards, or promotional codes.
How to check your Apple ID balance?
The balance of your Apple ID is quite easy to check. Here's how. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, open the App Store app. Tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Under the profile, you'll see your Apple ID balance. On your Mac, open the App Store. Click your profile picture or initials at the bottom left. You'll see your balance under your Apple ID. Please note, if you don't see a balance, it means that you have no credit in your account.
Can I transfer my Apple ID balance?
As of the time of this video, Apple does not allow the transfer of Apple ID balance or App Store and iTunes gift cards balance to another Apple ID or account. You can only use your balance for purchases in Apple's own stores, including buying apps, music, movies, iCloud storage, etc. Please always check the most updated Apple policy for this. That wraps up our tutorial on checking your Apple ID balance. Remember, your Apple ID balance is easy to access and monitor through your App Store profile on any Apple device. Although transferring the balance isn't currently possible, being aware of your credit can help manage your future purchases and subscriptions effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.